Gas prices getting you down? There's a reason Japanese riders are famous for squeezing miles out of every drop of fuel. They use little-known techniques that can drastically cut your fuel use. Today, we'll uncover 9 secret fuel-saving pro tips that will save you money at the pump. Let's jump in. Number 1. Shut off the engine at long lights. One clever habit many Japanese riders use: turning off the engine at red lights or during long waits. Idling is 0 miles per gallon, and you're burning fuel going nowhere. In Japan, where fuel can be expensive, it's common to see riders switch off their engines if they know they'll be stopped for more than about 30 seconds. You can adopt this trick too. If you're stuck at a railroad crossing or a lengthy red light, consider flicking the kill switch off. Restarting the engine uses a little fuel, but it's often less than what you'd waste idling for minutes. Over time, this adds up to significant savings. In practice, you'd likely just get a helping hand if you run dry. But the fact that a ticket is even possible for running out of gas is wild. Get into the habit of shutting down during long stops and you'll save gas and money. It might feel strange at first, but this idling off habit is a big fuel saver that almost nobody practices outside of places like Japan. Number 2. Accelerate smoothly. Rapid, throttle-heavy starts guzzle fuel more than you'd think. Japanese riders are known for their smooth acceleration. They roll on the throttle gently from stops instead of racing away. The secret is that engines use a lot of gasoline to overcome inertia and get you moving. If you slam the throttle open, you dump a ton of fuel in quickly. Instead, try easing into it and upshifting a bit earlier. You'll still get up to speed reasonably quickly, but your fuel injectors won't be pouring in extra gas to support a drag race launch. In city riding especially, this makes a noticeable difference. Smooth and steady riders often arrive at the next light just as soon as the jackrabbit starter, but use far less fuel doing it. Over time, training yourself to accelerate moderately, as many in Japan do by habit, can improve your mileage significantly. Number 3. Anticipate stops to avoid wasting energy. This tip is all about using your bike's momentum wisely. Japanese commuters in dense traffic develop a knack for anticipating red lights and slowdowns far ahead, and here's why it saves fuel. Every time you have to brake hard, you essentially throw away energy that you spent accelerating. Instead, if you see a red light or traffic jam ahead, ease off the throttle early and coast or gently engine brake. By the time you reach the slowdown, you might not have to come to a complete stop. When the light turns green, you can roll on without having wasted fuel on unnecessary acceleration, followed by heavy braking. This technique, essentially coasting, can boost your MPG because you're conserving the energy you already put into moving. It takes looking far ahead and being in tune with traffic flow, but it's something many Japanese riders practice instinctively in crowded cities. Number 4. Maintain proper tire pressure. This might not sound like a secret, but you'd be surprised how often riders neglect it and how much fuel it can waste. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder to move the bike. Japanese riders, especially those focused on efficiency, tend to be diligent about tire pressure. It's a routine to check weekly. By keeping your tires at the recommended PSI, you reduce drag. The bike rolls easier, and you might see a few extra miles per gallon. Plus, proper inflation helps your tires last longer and your bike handles predictably. A quick check with a tire gauge and a few pumps of air can make a real difference. Low tire pressure is like riding with a parking brake on to avoid it, and you'll save gas. Number 5. Shed extra weight and drag. If you tour with saddlebags, a top box, or lots of add-ons, know that extra weight and wind drag can eat into your fuel efficiency. One trick Japanese riders do is keep the bike as light and aerodynamic as possible. They use slim profile luggage or none at all when not needed, and they definitely don't carry around unnecessary items. The logic is simple. A lighter bike requires less energy to accelerate and climb hills. Similarly, things that catch wind, a giant top box or wide panniers, create drag that forces the engine to push harder at highway speeds. You may not always ditch your luggage, but consider this. If you're just riding around town, do you need that heavy chain lock or extra cargo on every ride? If not, leave it at home. Also, if you added a tall windshield for comfort, be aware it slightly increases drag. Do what you can to streamline. Every little bit helps when chasing better fuel economy. Number 6, use higher gears and low RPM. This is a classic fuel-saving technique that Japanese riders apply. Keep the revs low when you don't need big power. Revving the engine to high RPM between every shift wastes gas. Instead, short shift your bike to the next gear a bit earlier than you might normally, so the engine stays in a lower rev range. Cruising at 4,000 RPM will generally consume less fuel than screaming along at 8,000 RPM. Of course, don't lug the engine, but modern bikes often have enough torque to upshift sooner than you think. In Japan's cities, riders often keep speeds moderate due to traffic and narrow streets, so they naturally ride in a gear that keeps RPM down. You can do the same. When cruising on level roads, choose the gear that lets the engine relax. On highways, if your bike has an overdrive 6th gear, use it. Lower RPM means less fuel burned per minute. It's basically free mileage for being gentle on the throttle and smart with your shifting. Number 7, keep the bike well-tuned. A well-maintained motorcycle runs at peak efficiency, and that means better fuel economy. Japanese riders, with their culture of meticulous care, know that a happy engine sips less fuel. What does this mean for you? Stay on top of basic maintenance. Changing your oil on schedule. Fresh oil reduces engine friction. Keep your air filter clean. A clogged filter makes the engine run rich because it can't get enough air. Make sure your spark plugs are in good condition. A weak spark can fail to burn all the fuel in the cylinder, wasting it. If your bike has carburetors, ensure they're tuned and synchronized, or if it's fuel injected, that the injectors are clean. Replace worn-out parts that affect performance. A poorly tuned engine can noticeably use more fuel than one in tune. In short, give your bike some TLC. The difference between a neglected bike and a well-tuned one can show up at the gas pump. Number 8, plan routes for efficiency. This tip is about the big picture where and how you ride. Japanese riders often live in crowded cities and plan routes to avoid congestion, not just to save time, but to save fuel. Lots of stop and go or idling in traffic is MPG death. Whenever possible, choose routes that let you keep moving at a steady pace, even if they're slightly longer. For example, choosing a route with fewer stoplights or smoother traffic flow can burn less fuel than stop and go through downtown. Also consider the terrain. A route that avoids a big hill climb or tons of start-stop might use less gas. If you can ride during off-peak hours, you won't waste fuel sitting in jams. Essentially, the fewer obstacles to your bike's momentum, the better the mileage. You won't reorganize your life around fuel savings, but if two routes are equally convenient, pick the one that's easier on fuel. Japanese riders embrace efficiency in many aspects of life, and smart route planning is one of them. Number 9, embrace fuel-saving technology and techniques. Finally, take advantage of modern tech and mindful habits. Many Japanese bikes come with eco-mode indicators or even start-stop systems. If your bike has an eco light, try riding in a way that keeps it on. Usually that means steady throttle and moderate speeds. If you have a fuel consumption readout, monitor it and challenge yourself to improve the numbers. Some newer bikes and scooters even shut off at stops to save gas, a feature inspired by Japanese city riding. Simpler things. Don't buy lower octane or poor quality fuel than your bike needs, and don't rev your engine at stoplights. In short, adopt a mindset of efficiency. All these small habits add up to real savings in the long run.